You really struggled with the dialogue.
So, wait,
Nosebleed.
I'm sorry if you have a lot of seconds. Can you just continue?
What?
Pardon. So when I talk, Joel, he's trying to, nobody,
Nosebleed.
Oh,
Okay, explain it.
okay.
Nakakuha niya.
So,
May kanin.
May laman na oh.
so when okay.
What again? His explanation is taking ages. Oh my god.
Oh, no.
Ages now.
Can't
Ages
wait.
now.
Can't
What ages? My age. Oh, I'm 24 years old.
I'm 24.
Alam niyo, makakasagot ka talaga.
He asked me, sure guys, handled by tricks? Yeah, before, yes. And then I said that, yeah, right. You're right. Yeah. So cut him.